So basically what we're interested in is a phenomenon about the presence of what we call warlord democrats, so basically former military leaders that have been empowered during civil wars, and after the wars they have attempted and sought to transform themselves to democrats and take part in elections. Many, when these take part in elections, that's also what we're studying, it's quite controversial when they run for office. But many, you have to remember that many of these individuals also during the civil wars, they were actually protecting some local communities and maybe some ethnic groups. And of course, for some of these groups, they see these individuals as they're grateful because they protected them during the war. And they can play on those loyalties, and sometimes what they do is also they try to they play on people's fear. They use sort of a fear mongering to run elections, and in these instances, in elections can be a very unstable affairs. Such discourses can trigger violence, so that's also a major challenge. Research has shown if you want to have a stable peace agreement, you have to have a buy-in process where all the major elites feel part of the process. So in one sense, you have to make compromises, and the best way is to try to get people, convince them, elites, to be part of the democratic process. So that's what we're trying to understand in our projects is, for example, why do some of these warlord democrats use a rhetoric of fear, and why do some others use a rhetoric of peace? Trying to understand those differences.